Okay. Yay! Okay, here we go. Yay!
Jeez, now shoot up the ball for me.
Can you shoot up the ball? Yay!
Woohoo!
Okay, Daddy's turn. Benjamin.
Yep, you're on there.
Look, I'm gonna make it. Oh, I missed.
I want to see some sweet hoops. Sweet hoops.
Here. Can you make the ball?
I want to see you put the ball in the hoop.
Here. What are you doing?
I want to see you shoot up the ball, babe.
Here.
Miss, try again. There you go. Missed again.
Oh, good try.
Yeah, do it with the jump like you were doing before. There you go. Good shot.
Oh.
You did it. Woohoo. All right. You gonna ride your bike a little bit? Bike? You gonna ride the bike to the ball? Bonk the ball? Move the ball? Shoot up the ball again.
Yay!
Woohoo! We bought this basketball hoop for $10 from somebody off of Craigslist. Benjamin likes to play with his basketball hoop in the backyard. He prefers to shoot the real basketball, not the Nemo ball. He likes to play in his sandbox. As you can see, the sand is purple and spread all around. He likes to ride his bike or do sidewalk chalk. He likes to water the plants we've got in our garden. Little herb garden we're starting back here. Got some tomatoes, some strawberries. Can you put the lid back on that? Yep.